In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy tickets on Ticketek. First, open the Ticketek website or app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, use the search bar to find the event you want, or browse through the categories until you see it. When you find the event you're looking for, click on it, and click on Find Tickets. Once you open the event page, you will see two options. Choose your own, to choose every detail of the ticket as you want, or Find Best Available, to pick from the available choices. I'll choose Find Best Available, as the one I chose may not be available. Click Select, choose the number of tickets you want, then choose the delivery option. You can choose Mobile Ticket or Print at Home PDF. Then click Next. It'll take you to Order page. Click Go to Checkout, and you'll see your order summary. Click on Review Order, then choose whether your ticket is refundable or non-refundable, and fill in all your address details carefully, then click Go to Payment. Now enter your card information. Make sure everything is correct, then finally click on Pay. And Ticketek will email your tickets straight to your inbox. And that's it. That's how you buy tickets on Ticketek. Thanks for watching.